right, scholars, we're going to look at the many ways to show fractions. If you'll get out your math notebook, if you will turn to page 39, you're going to write your title, Multiple Ways to Show Fractions, and you're going to add the date. You're going to make your page look like this one. You're going to fold it from the open edge over to the red line, and that'll give you your middle line. Okay, in the middle, you're going to write numerator, our partition bar, and denominator, and you're going to leave room to write the actual fraction over here to the side. And then you'll draw a line about halfway across the middle of your page. Okay, in the center, our fraction that we are going to look at, I want you to write 3/4. And in the first section, we're going to write a way to represent it using fraction bars. Okay. And this is just when you draw out the shape. We need four equal pieces. And we are going to shade 3 of them. Okay. And we're going to label. We're going to label that we have 3 shaded out of 4 equal parts. In the next section, we're going to do a fraction set. Okay. And this is when you'll have a group of items. You'd have 4 items total. And we're going to shade 3 of them. Or we can do polka dots in 3 of them. Something to tell us that we're looking at 3 pieces of the whole group. Of the whole set. And then we're going to go to the next section. We're going to put our circle model here. Okay. And we're going to draw a circle. Break it into the total number of equal pieces we need. And we need to shade 3 of them. And we're going to label that we're going to shade 3 parts. And our whole circle is divided into 4 equal parts. And now in our last section, we're going to do a number line model. Okay, so we're going to draw a number line. We're going to start at 0. We're going to end at 1. And in between here, we're going to show our fraction of 3/4. Okay, so again, using our denominator, we know we need to break it into 4 equal pieces. This would be 1/4. This next part would be another 4th. This part would be another 4th. Okay, because you would have this section, and this section would make 3 out of 4 sections. You can kind of imagine it as if it were a rectangle that you were breaking into 4 equal pieces. And you would want to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, like we did on our first model. But it is a number line, and so it should just look like. And you can add in these labels right here. That this is 2/4 because we're going to continue our line on as a whole line. And then this one would continue all the way to 3/4. And we'll practice more with the number line model because it's our newest one. So this is how the whole thing on page 39 needs to look like. If you would please turn to page 40. You're going to make this page look exactly the same, but this is going to be your chance to practice. And I want you to practice and draw out with the same categories and the same spots, but I want you to do a different fraction. I want you to do, you're going to do the fraction 4/6. And you'll add in fraction bar, fraction set, circle model, and a number line model for the new fraction 4/6 on page 40.